Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin in the phone app, tap the voicemail tab, and then set up now. You do this because visual voicemail requires an initial carrier link and greeting. Enter a voicemail password when prompted. This secures access if you switch devices. Once done, record a brief greeting or choose default so callers hear your message. Make sure cellular data or Wi-Fi is enabled. Visual voicemail needs a connection to download messages for playback and transcription. Next, you'll handle messages and greetings. Tap any voicemail to stream it immediately, pause, or skip as needed. You can press share to export the file or forward it via messages or mail. This helps preserve important calls. To change your greeting, tap Greeting, pick Custom to record a new message, then save. Make sure transcription appears. If not, wait a moment for the server to process or toggle cellular/Wi-Fi and retry so the text populates correctly. Finish by verifying carrier voicemail is active. Visual voicemail depends on your plan. If messages don't download, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode on then off to refresh the network. Simple restarts often restore service. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud Voice or reset network settings, but back up first because that clears saved Wi-Fi passwords. One key troubleshooting tip: contact your carrier to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.